LAVIS is one of the most popular vision intelligence language library used by many LLMs these days. For instance, one of the evolving LLM 3D LLM uses LAVIS, and in this video I'm going to give you a quick overview of this LAVIS Python library. So it's a deep learning library for language and vision research and applications. It features a unified design to access state-of-the-art foundation language vision models such as LBAF, BLIP, LPRO, and lot of others. It also deals with common tasks like retrieval, captioning, visual question answering, multimodal classification, and data sets such as Coco, Flickr, and lot of others. So for instance, if you want to extract the caption of an image, you can use LAVIS with a great ease. This library aims to provide engineers and researchers with a one-stop solution to rapidly develop models for their specific multimodal scenarios. And also, the benchmarks show that the performance of this library is the fastest at the moment in the industry. There are a lot of other features available with LAVIS, such as modular and extensible library design, easy off-the-shelf inference, reproducible model zoo, which basically means that it provides pre-training recipes to easily replicate and extend state-of-the-art models. It also um, frees you up from the hassle to prepare the many language vision data sets. You can also do some distributed training using multimodal GPUs. Plus, you can use the ladder board to compare state-of-the-art model across standard data sets. Okay, now this is the repo of this LAVIS, and I will drop the link in video's description where you can see what other features are and how you can install it. And there are lot of other examples and images and installation instructions, and I will leave it to you to explore. Let me show you another GitHub repo where there are a lot of working examples of LAVIS in action. And I will also drop the link in video description to these examples because it's very easy to run them and go through them. I will show you one example of this notebook in which we are doing image captioning by using LAVIS. So look at this notebook example where in the first step we are importing some of the modules, then we are loading this image, and I believe this is from Singapore. um, so after loading this image, we are setting up the torch device, then we are loading the blip large captioning model, which is fine tuned on this data set Coco. Once that's done, we are doing some prep work on the image using the preprocessors, and then the caption is generated here at the end. I would also love if this LLM would be able to uh, pinpoint the exact location. As I said, it's in Singapore, so that would be the epic. But maybe it's still under training. But all in all, still a very accurate captioning of this image. Maybe we need to adjust our prompt to ask it the location. But anyway, so this is how you can use this LAVIS with huge ease. I'm also going to create another demo video just putting in some images into LAVIS and show you how it works. So stay tuned, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.